In this video, we'll show you how to wire the Nature's Generator 30A and 50A automatic transfer switch. Both models follow a very similar process. Let's begin by preparing the setup. At first, remove the appropriate knockouts on both the load center and the automatic transfer switch. Install the conduit clamps, then feed all required wires through the conduit and secure both clamps. Now, we begin wiring the normal power. For this step, a 50A double pole breaker is required, even when wiring for a 30A automatic transfer switch. Besides the breaker, appropriate wires and wiring nuts are also required. Find the space and install the dedicated 50A double pole breaker in the load center. The two hot lines from this breaker connect to the normal power L1 and L2 terminals on the automatic transfer switch. The neutral wire connects to the normal power neutral terminal, and the ground wire connects to the ground bar in the automatic transfer switch. This completes the normal power wiring from the load center to the automatic transfer switch. Next, we'll look at the wiring 240 volt circuits. The step is the same if you want to back up the multi-wire branch circuits. Use double pole breakers that match the amperage ratings of the existing circuits. Install the double pole breaker in the automatic transfer switch panel. The hot wire from the breaker will connect to the branch load hot wires on your load center. If the 240V circuit includes a neutral, the branch load neutral will be connected to the neutral wire from the automatic transfer switch. Remove the branch load L1 and L2 from the existing breaker and connect them to the L1 and L2 wires to the automatic transfer switch by wiring nuts. Identify the neutral wire from the feed. Remove it from the neutral bar and connect it to the neutral wire from the automatic transfer switch. This completes the wiring from the 240 volt circuit or multi-wire branch circuits. Now, let's look at the wiring 120 volt circuits. These require single pole breakers, appropriate wires, and wiring nuts for the circuits. Always match the amperage of the existing breaker and calculate the load balance before wiring the circuits. Install the single pole breaker in the automatic transfer switch panel. The hot wire from the breaker will connect to the branch load hot wire on your load center. The neutral wire from the automatic transfer switch will connect to the branch load neutral wire of the circuit. Remove the branch load wire from the breaker and connect it to the hot wire from the automatic transfer switch by wiring nuts. Identify the neutral wire from the feed. Remove it from the neutral bar and connect it to the neutral wire from the automatic transfer switch. This completes the wiring for the 120 volt circuit. Repeat the same process for all the remaining circuits you intend to back up by the automatic transfer switch. For more videos and tutorials like this, be sure to follow us at Nature's Generator and let us know in the comments what kind of guides you'd like to see next. We're always working on helpful new content for you.